Watch me create an eBay listing in under 30 seconds using Snap2List. I'm going to upload my sneakers, analyze image, generate, and this is generating details. We're going to have a 3-step form here. SKU, enter the SKU, check the title, view the images, condition new with box, category is correct. You have some suggestions here. Change the policy, click next, view the item aspects. Everything is correct. Now rearrange the images. And publish. We also have the bulk lister where you could upload multiple images and list in minutes.